In this video, I'm going to show how to play Ark Survival Evolved with friends Epic Games. It's a very quickly and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, I will pass the information on this version of Epic Games, but it's the same process on any version. What you need to do is just install Ark Survival Evolved on your Epic Games and ask to your friends to install also in Epic Games, okay? Then you need to open your Ark Survival Evolved. You will come to this page. In my case it is on Portuguese, but it's the same process. What I need to do is click on the second option, host/solo, if you want to play just you and your friends. Now if you want to play on a dedicated server with other players online, you can click on the first option, search servers, okay, entry on Ark, and you will find several servers to play with your friends and other people. I will show you the second option because in my opinion is the best option. So click on host/solo, and here you can change all options that you have on your world. If you want to change just for example the XP multiplicator, you can just increase to the right here, okay, this dot, and you can also change any option that you want to change, for example the damage of the dinos. Then you select the world that you want to play with your friends, okay, you select the map. You can select any map that you have on Ark. Then you click on the option host, not dedicated session, okay, and you will see this page. You can private your session, turn on this button, and if you want to put a password, you can type any password right here. Here you can also name your session, and then you need to click accept. Then to invite your friends, you just need to invite your friends like on any other game. So you need to press on your keyboard Shift plus F3, and you can invite any friend to join in your session. I hope I helped you on how to play Ark Survival Evolved with friends Epic Games. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.